Thank you. All right. So now we are beginning our analysis. All right. So welcome once more. And this is on Point FX. Yeah. So let me take this down. All right. So this is on Point FX, and we want to analyze the chart for the week. We want to see. Let's play along. Let's play and see how the market is going to move this week. Right. Yeah. So Monday, we don't have any serious news coming out. We don't have any serious news. Yeah, so you can see it Monday, 21st. Yeah, Monday. And then Tuesday, we don't have any serious news. And so I consider my serious news as what? The red folders, the ones in the red folders, okay? And not all the red folders are even that high impact news, right? Yeah, so yeah, Wednesday, we have some more Euro news coming out. You can see it, Euro news coming out on Wednesday, yeah, which could move the market a little bit. And then we have so that means Euro news are coming out massive. We have 7:15 a.m. and 7:30 a.m. in the morning. That's London session. And then we have GBP, and we have what? We have USD news also coming out. Okay. Yeah, so we have to take note of all the news which are coming out. We do technical, majority is technical, right? So Thursday too, we have news on USD. Thursday we have news on USD, and then Friday we have news on Euro, we have news on USD, and all day, and then what we have a news on Euro too. Yeah, we have news on Euro, right? Okay, so let's move ahead and see what's gonna happen. So now, as we know that there are news coming out this week, what do we have to do? We have to be alert to know that, okay, yeah, when the time is getting due, we know what to do. So most of my students know what they do when the time is getting closer to the news, and we know how to forecast the market. So I use the JPD strategy. JPD strategy is a very strong strategy which work like 90% accuracy, right? So if you are interested to learn how to trade with that, just hit me up. And so before I begin everything, let me just show you what's going to happen. We have an event coming up. We have an event coming up in Accra. So most of you that are in Accra, thanks a lot for the likes, KG. Thanks a lot. We have this. So please, if you are not part of my you are not part of my Telegram channel, just go on the bio. You see the Telegram channel. You can join and be part of, so that you see anything that is happening. Okay, so this is this is the event coming up in Accra, right? This is the event coming up in Accra. So if you're in Accra and you're watching me, Ghana, Accra, get ready. It's going to be a mega Forex training event 2023, which will happen in next month, ending of next month, right? The date is not finally out yet, but then if you are in Accra, just get in touch. Go. We are grouping all our members, or people are already booking up. People are already booking up, and they are making their reservation tickets, and we are working on that too. So, guys, if you are in Accra, you don't have to miss this event. Come and learn massive stuff. Come and learn great knowledge. You understand? So we're gonna have currency trading. We'll learn about currencies, crypto, gold, and synthetic indices. Yeah, so this is the number. You can just contact the number on the flyer. You can see it. So you can just message me if you are here. You can also message me on TikTok if you want to be part of this event. You can just message me or WhatsApp the number or call the numbers you are seeing below, and so you'll be part of the mega Forex training coming up live. It's going to be live. I can promise you that no one is going to live there with a very low confidence, right? It won't happen. You are going to leave the event hall with what? Massive confidence. You understand? No, Kwame, it's not free. It's not free. It's 1,000 Ghana. It's 1,000 Ghana for this thing. And it's not only one day. It's not one day, right? It's not one day. So if you want to be part, trust me, I think this so far, because it's going to be from beginners to professional, right? So when you are able to be part, join this mega training, you are going to, and also we'll be giving some snacks and other stuff. you know. So you are not only coming to do this thing, you are also coming to enjoy and meet other traders, you understand, and also learn from them, and we all share, we all learn from each other. And so I can only tell you for a fact that if you leave this event, you are going to be a professional trader. You are going to trade with confidence. I mean confidence. You understand? And that's whereby you can open a lot size, and you are confident that this is where the market is heading to. You get me? Without no one trying to confuse you. You know, we have a lot of traders that confuse people in how on this platform, right? So if you are lucky and you are willing to join this, you have to. If you're in Accra, just hit up WhatsApp the numbers, and you'll be able to join the mega training which will be happening. Okay. Yeah. So like I said, wow, the market has opened. The market has finally opened. Welcome, market. Welcome. Welcome. Yeah. So what are we looking at? People will confuse people this week. I know. I know. People come and be confusing. This one come and say do this. This one say do that. These people. So now it's going to we trade according to what our analysis tells us. You understand what the analysis says, what the analysis interpret for us, right? And so far so good. This week we are going to see a little bit of just a pushback. The market will try reversing a little bit to the top, just a little bit, right? Don't be scared if the market is going up like that. Don't be scared. It will fall down. The market is going to drop. It will fall. It will fall. Right now, it's just going to do a retest on a higher time frame, right? To fall. So when you see the market buying a little bit on gold, this is gold, please. This is gold. So when you see gold buying a little bit, it might even happen that the buyers will not even be so much, right? It will drop. It will drop. So don't be scared. One thing I want you to understand as a trader is that when you are trading, believe in yourself. Believe that what you are doing is the right thing, no matter what, even if it is wrong analysis you have done. Believe that it's going your way, and that is how come you can be able to overcome all these temptations. Other traders giving you a lot of and psychologically you are going to be mental stable. You get me? You're going to be mental stable. So believe in what you have learned. Make sure you learn the thing first. So if you are here, you don't have a strategy, you are still a beginner, you are still an intermediate or a professional. You understand? Don't say you have gained that level. Still learn. There are a lot of things you need to learn on this chart, right? There are a lot of things you need to learn from this chart, because this chart is more than university, it's more than even gaining PhD, it's more than getting whatever. This chart is $1 million chart. You understand? If you understand this chart, you are a billionaire. You understand? You are a billionaire. So you just have to do what you have to put your mind in and learn. Just learn it. You can go to university for 4 years. Some people go more than even 4 years. They'll do research before they realize they are in their eighth year. You understand? So they have even studied medicine. You get me? But then you can learn this chart within some few months, and you are good. But people don't want to. They feel like they want the other way around. But this is what you are looking at right now is $1 million. This thing is $1 million. You understand? The chart is $1 million. And so if you are in your village, if you are anywhere in the world, you can still make money. You can spend dollars, you can spend pounds, you can spend euros, you can spend Canadian dollar, you can spend any currency in the world, and you are in your village, and no one is coming to even attack you. It's legal. You understand? All you need is the knowledge. You have to seek the knowledge. So you just have to learn and keep learning, right? So that you have the right information. A dot can make you a millionaire. Just knowing a dot can make you a millionaire and change your whole family to become, if poverty was in your family to be, everything will vanish. You get me? Just from this chart, just because you took that step to learn the chart and understand how this thing works. You understand? And that's it. Your family, that poverty that is attacking the family now, you wipe it away, you delete everything away. You get me? So you just have to learn the Forex market, learn the chart. And one thing I like about this is that even age does not matter. Age doesn't matter, right? whether you are 50 years, 70 years, you are 14 years, you are even 10 years, still you can learn the chart. It doesn't have expiry. You can even be 90 years. So far, if you can see, you can make money. You get me? You can make money. Age is not a matter. You just have to get the right information. If you have the right information, you are good to go. You get me? So now, like I was saying, this week I'm expecting more drop coming out, coming down from good. Yeah, but then we'll get a little bit of bias pushing up, right? Just to confuse my people, to confuse your psychology. Then you think it's going to buy. It will just sell anyhow and it will surprise you. You get me? So put your mind, have a stable mind, right? Please double tap on your screen, like this double tap and like so that we can go far, right? So like I'm saying, this week we should get a little bit of pushback, a little bit of reversal, and don't be scared. It's going to be just some little reversal, and the market, it will drop massive. You understand? It will drop, right? Until the market goes above our range, whereby we see the market making borders here, doing something like this and going above my high tension. I call this zone high tension, right? Once it goes above that, we get a retest back, then we are pushing all the way to the, but that means our analysis for the downwards is what is invalid, to be invalid. So what you see is what you trade. You have to put it at the back of your mind that what you see is what you trade, right? But so far, per the analysis we have done, it's on a downward trend. It's on a bearish trend. The sellers are massive. The sellers are more. You can see how the sellers drove this market all the way from here, this angle here. They drove the market from this zone here all the way here, right? And so that's what happened at this area here. The market also drove it drove from here and went to the next point. So the market moved from point to point. You understand? If you understand this, you should know what you are doing. And so what I'm expecting the market to do is supposed to what? Move forward. Did I just say suppose? It's high, there's a higher chance of it moving from here to this next level, right? Per the analysis I'm using, which is the GPD technical analysis, which is the jack point directional strategy in full, jack point directional strategy. Very, very, very solid strategy. And from there, we are expecting the market to what? If everything works well, market will move from here again to this level. You see, when you understand the levels in the market, you are not confused by all these traders that will come and make noise at this, that. So you have to be careful this week that when trading, don't go against the market direction, right? Don't go against the market direction, because currently my high tension have been violated. I need it to drop, right? If it drop, that's it. Because I'm holding some sales on it. I'm holding some sales on it, and I've already made money. Last week I made a lot of money from this chart, right? Because I was on a sell. I scalp a lot, and I took some profit out, right? And currently I'm holding some. As a trader, you have to be that strong in mind. You have to be very, very smart in mind. Don't have a very loose psychology or mindset. You understand? Sometimes you just have to hold the trade very hard and push it. Don't see small profit and really run out, right? Go in, out, but hold some positions so that you can be able to take a lot of money. So I'm expecting 800 pips, 8,000 pips down to the next zone, which is here. And so let's move to see DXY. What's DXY is doing? Thank you a lot for the likes. I really all those sharing the all those liking and sharing. Thanks a lot. KJ, I see you, KJ. Thanks a lot. BMM 36. Charlie, thanks a lot. I love the likes you guys are showing me. You are showing me love. Thanks a lot, guys. Keep pushing. So now DXY. DXY stands for dollar index. So now when DXY is strong, right? When DXY is strong, what does it mean? That means dollar is going to be strong, right? So you can see that DXY was having a move from all the way down here towards the next zone here, right? And DXY is pushing. Currently, there's a fight happening. buyers and sellers are having fights, but trust me, buyers will take over because looking at the momentum the buyers are using to take the markets up is very good. You understand? So we're expecting buyers to take over and break out that zone there, right? So if we are seeing the market just retracing back, don't worry, it's on a fight zone and it will pump up and break that zone, right? To pump up and break it. So don't be scared. Don't be scared, guys. Don't be scared. Yeah, so like I'm saying, I'm expecting to cross this my high tension zone, which is almost crossed. And so from this level, we are moving all the way towards the next level of what this level should be 10104 400 level, right? That's the price level I'm looking at the market to hit this level here. I'm looking at the market to hit that level, and that is what I'm anticipating for this week, hopefully. Yeah. So now, if we are able to cross this zone here, we are moving all the way to the next one zone, which is here, right? Which is here. So the market move from zone to zone. Please get that clear. It moves from zone to zone, right? Moves from zone to zone. So guys, like I said, those of you in Accra, if you're in Accra, you want to join our mega training event, it's going to be solid. It's going to be informational. It's going to be what great. It's going to be change like it's going to change a lot of people's lives. Anyone that will be attending this mega training is going to get a lot of information whereby you can become a very confident trader. And trust me, most of you start pulling higher lot size because what the information you get, it will make you pull higher lot size. You get me? Your energy level is going to increase. So if you're in Accra and you want to be part of this, just message me or just WhatsApp the numbers you are seeing. You can WhatsApp the numbers you are seeing, and we are going to be learning about crypto, currency, gold, synthetic indices. So most of you that like to trade synthetic, you want to trade gold. Those of you who are obsessed with gold, trust me, it's here. You are going to learn that. You're going to learn the right way to trade, the right way to for entry. Entry. Guys, don't miss this. Don't miss. Please also share, kindly share this, kindly share our flyer, kindly share it for those in Accra so that they can be able to take part in this program. Okay. Yeah. Guys, keep liking, keep double tapping on your screen. Thanks a lot for everyone liking and sharing. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. I really appreciate, I really appreciate a lot. So, like we said, this is GPY basket. This is GPY basket. It contains the Japanese yen. Japanese yen. This is the basket that contains the Japanese yen. And so it's just like the DXY. You get me? It's like the DXY, which is for the dollar. When DXY is pumping up, that means it's going to all dollar is going to be strong. If DXY is weak, that means dollar is going to be what weak. Now the JPY basket, it's a basket that contains the Japanese yen pairs, the Japanese yen. And so when you see JPY basket being weak, right? If JPY basket is weak, that means Japanese yen is also going to be weak. And so at this area here, I was trying to people to sell to go against, okay, because Japanese yen is going to be weak. So if Japanese yen is weak, just take the other currency. Maybe you can take NZD JPY and just go for buy on NZD because Japanese yen is weak. It's just like that, okay? And you are in. So now the market, we knew the market was moving from this point. There was a higher chance the market was moving from this zone here all the way to this level. It was, if you check my YouTube video, previously, you see me talking about it's around this level here that market is going to drop. The Japanese yen is going to drop and it's going to be weak. So guys, don't be going for Japanese yen. Japanese yen is weak, right? I was crying, and currently what's happening? Japanese yen has reached this level. Now we want to see what's going to happen. Now let me tell you the clear fact that I'm looking at. Clear facts I'm looking at. Let me take this off. Now, if we see the market breaking this zone here, you see the market breaking this zone. Let me show you this zone. If it breaks this zone here, right? If it breaks this zone, we want a retest, then we'll see markets pushing, pumping all the way up again. If it pump to this decision zone, this is my high tension zone, right? We are expecting the market to do what? Breakout. If it break out, fine. If it doesn't break out and decline again, we will follow it down. Per the entry on the GPD strategy. Per the entry of the GPD strategy, we will take the market down again. But if it break out, we know the right time to enter. You see, if you are trading Forex and you don't have a solid way of entering the market, very solid way of entering the market, trust me, you will see entry, but you don't enter. You'll be scared. You'll even be scared to enter a trade because you feel like it might go against you. You feel me? But then when you learn it and understand the language of the market, you get me? You are free, you are good, you get me? You are free and you are good. So let's see how it's gonna work. Let's see how it's gonna work. But currently we know the market is super, the market is just around this zone here. It's around here. So we want to see whether we'll have a breakout here from our high tension and we can see it pumping all the way to the top again. You get me? Yeah. So let's see how the market turn out this week too. So and let's go and check on odd USD, odd USD. You can see my chart. Okay, I trade from point to point. From point to point. When people are making noise, I just keep quiet and watching them because you go on the social media, you see people confusing people anyhow. You get me? Yeah. And which is very sad because the market is simple, but people make it difficult. You see them mentioning too much things. This mentioning MS whatever this indicator. Look, they are confusing you. They just want to confuse you. The market is not anything. It's not a tiger. You just have to understand it and understand it simple. You get me? When you complicate it, if you are someone that like complicating things, you get me? That's where you get yourself messed up. You understand? So just make things simple for you. The world is simple. Just take everything simple. You understand? Don't want to say you know too much. If you want to say you know too much, that's when you end up crashing yourself anyhow. You get me? Yeah. So let's see. So around this area here, around when you check on the YouTube video I did previously, you see me talking about the market declining, and I was saying that that time the market was somewhere here. The market was just around this area here. I was telling people that look, the US dollar is strong, and we are going to see market dropping all the way and breaking what zones, breaking high tension zone, right? They are going to break zones and decline more. But people were confusing people. I saw someone even telling some people to be buying with heavy loss. I was like, yo, what are you telling? What are you trying to do? You are confusing people, man. You get me? So now we knew the market was dropping all the way. There was a higher chance or a 90% chance by the technical analysis that the market was dropping all the way to the downwards direction. And what are we supposed to do? We just have to be able to know when to jump into the market with that confidence, with that solid confidence. You get me? And that is it. You understand? With that confidence. And so when we enter the market around this area, people who were able to hold a trade for that long, right? Sorry, for that short. People who were able to hold the market for that short. When the market is going down, it's declining, it's a short. When it's going up, it's a what? A long, right? But then no problem. English be English. So the market, we held it. We were able to hold some trades, but we scalped some of them out because we knew that some levels will be what will try to fight each other. And so we were able to hold it all the way to this level, and we took a lot of profit out, and then markets break it, and we went all the way down here. Now currently, yeah, so this is odd USD, odd USD, odd USD. Yeah. Yeah, guys, like I said, hey, how are you? Yeah, like I said, for those of you in Accra, I want you people to take this program very serious. Mega Forex training, right? Mega Forex training. If you're in Accra and you want to get to learn this trading simple and live, we are going to be there. I'm going to be there on that day, right? So oh, you are from Nigeria, okay, no problem. You can also be join our online course if you want to learn it. You can join our online course. So you can message me, just message me here. You can be able to take part in this program through the online. You get me? So just message. It's not free, please. It's not free. You have to get your tickets. Okay, just message me so that it's not any expense. It's not anything expensive, right? Just message me so that I can give you the details. If you are able to join, fine. If you are not able, then you prepare next time. You understand? Because we want serious people to come for the program. Serious people. Because this program is to make millionaires. We want to make millionaires, next millionaires. And people want to build confidence in people so that you can open 100 lot size with that confidence, knowing that the market is going your direction. You get me? That is the confidence I'm talking about. Most traders see good trades, but they can't even pick. They are afraid. Their psychology has been shaked. So due to that, they can't even enter the trade, and they can't literally even see the trade going their way, but they refuse taking the trade just because the energy, the mindset, the psychology is not stable. You get me? So this program is going to change a lot of things we were seeing in the market, which we're not supposed to change that 100%. And you'll be able to interact with top traders so that you can become a good trader and a professional trader. And that is all. If you get this knowledge, it's forever and ever. Forever and ever. You don't need it. I said this chart you are seeing right here is bigger than your degree. Listen to me. Whether you are having degree, the chart is bigger than your degree, your master's, your PhD, everything. This chart you are looking at just like that, simple like that. It can pay you more than all these qualifications you have gotten. Just learn this for months, just a few months, and you are good. Just get the information, get the knowledge, and you are good. You don't need any certificate or anything. You understand? The chat is going to pay you, and it will pay you than every distance. Once you have I said a dot can make you a millionaire. You knowing the information of a dot, you know that okay, at this point there's a dot here, right? At this point there's a dot here. At this point there's a dot here. It can make you a millionaire. You understand? It can change your family life. It can clear poverty out of your family 100%. You get me? So I would like to see should I end it right now? Yeah, I would like to be ending right